Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research time for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another first unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Zimaya. House of Zimaya, or brand of Zimaya, is a subsidiary of House of Afnan. House of Afnan doesn't need introduction, is one of the biggest Middle Eastern perfume houses from United Arab Emirates, and they have many hits. And this particular brand, Zimaya, I unboxed and reviewed at least about 5 or 6 fragrances from them, and each of them they impressed me so much, especially for the price. The quality is amazing. So when I saw this beauty, is called this one is called Sharaf Club by Zimaya, is extrait de parfum. Look at this presentation, it's amazing. I don't have the full presentation, I don't have the box. I bought it like this on eBay, so but I'm smelling it first time with you, so this is a true first impression. Very heavy bottle, super heavy cap, and attention to detail is everywhere. Look at this, beautiful. It says Sharaf Zimaya Sharaf Club extrait de parfum, 100 ml, and is talked unisex. Beautiful presentation, very heavy bottle, very thick, everything about it shouts quality. Anyway, so let's go with the atomizer. Here we go, the atomizer. Very good atomizer, although it's not pressurized, but it's very good. Okay, so Zimaya, this is Sharaf Club, not be mistaken by Sharaf Blend. Yeah, Sharaf Blend, which is inspired by Killian Angel Share. This one is nothing to do with that one. Okay, so it's a completely different fragrance here. And here we go, first impression. How is the smell? Yeah, this is another Credentis or slash Hachivat slash probably little bit of the Sadat Bougazi in here as well. So it's a like you know where it's going. So this is inspired again with Credentis, majority of it. Ooh, so the first thing it hits me is the sweetness. So it's quite sweet. So it looks like they amped up the sweetness a little bit just to give it a lift. And obviously that fruits is in the beginning. I'm smelling blackcurrant, I'm smelling pineapple, I'm smelling apple, I'm smelling citruses, and it's very bright and happy and very sweet in the beginning. The sweetness is around 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. This is around, I would say, 7 to 8, so it's quite sweet, at least for first impression. Dry down, I will let you know in the next video what happened, and longevity and all these good things, but this is first impression. Yeah, I can smell the patchouli here. Patchouli is giving a little bit of that earthiness, a little bit of chocolatiness, and also I can smell the woods, which is birch and cedar. And also the vanilla is that sweetness come from vanilla. And also in the mid I can smell those florals, which is jasmine and rose together, which giving it a little bit of softness in the mid, and it basically balance everything together. So overall it's very nicely done. It's beautifully smelled, and presentation to match, smell good, balance. You opened like a beautiful perfume, no harshness, no alcohol, no syntheticness. Obviously for this price point, this one in United Kingdom you can find it under £35. I bought it a little bit cheaper because it didn't have the full presentation, it didn't have the box. The box is very high quality, so for that price, for this smell, for this quality, is very well done. Almost no smoke, so at the moment I'm not getting any smokiness. I'm not getting any hard or any, you know, the leather is very soft. Again, there is a leather in here, but it's very soft. It's most likely more like like a suede than like leather. So it's very soft leather, and the birch is there, but the birch at the moment is in the background and is very subdued and is not smoky. So I'm not getting smokiness, at least for first impression. Main thing I'm getting right now is the sweetness from the vanilla and the fruitiness, which is the big fruits, blackcurrants, the citruses, the apple, and also the pineapple. Very, yeah, the pineapple is quite apparent here, which is quite nice. And also I am getting the usual suspect from Creed Aventus inspired fragrances, which are the birch, the cedar, the that vanilla in the base, and also the florals. And also in the base I'm smelling a little bit of greenness as well, so it is a little bit on the green side. Yeah, but at the moment it's mainly candied, so it's very candy like, it's quite sweet and fruity. So it opened up very fruity and sweet, but the other things that I'm smelling are there in the background, way in the background. So later on most likely it's going to change. So in the next video I'll let you know the change, the longevity, the performance, and all good things. But knowing House of Zimaya, they're going to be a good performer because this is extrait de parfum. Although when I was reading online, it says 80% volume. 80% volume means 20% oil in here, which means it should be eau de parfum, but it's calling it extrait de parfum. Sometimes it happens, you know, sometimes they exaggerate, sometimes they play their hand lower, they underplay their hand. So in this case it's more like eau de parfum, but they say it's extrait de parfum. So because extrait de parfum is at least about 20 to 30% oil, it should be in here, but this one is a 20% oil. Anyway, so right now it's quite nicely filling the room, so it looks like it's going to last and it's quite strong. But and also this is, although it is inspired by Creed Aventus and it smells very close to it, but I would say this is definitely on the unisex side because they amped up the sweetness and the fruitiness in the beginning, at least in the beginning. So it feels to me like could be easily unisex. And in terms of age, again, it's ageless, anybody can wear it from 15 to 100. In terms of season, this is better suited for warmer weather, but because at the moment it's got a strength to it and it's quite sweet, you can easily rock it in winter as well. Obviously in cooler weather more sprays, in warmer weather less sprays. And in terms of occasion, this is, because it's on the sweeter side and it's like a little bit on the opulent side, it's better for going out, for special occasion, for evening and things like that, clubbing, close encounter, dinner, things like that. But its DNA is, in a way, is very versatile. You can use it anywhere, anytime you want, really. If you pay for it, you know where to wear it, when to wear it. This is just a recommendation. So overall, presentation excellent, smell for a first impression excellent. For what I paid and what I get, in terms of ratio between what I paid and what I get, is very good, excellent. In terms of, is it redundant for people who got many Creed Aventus inspired fragrances? Most likely it is redundant. But you know me, I'm a crazy person. I love DNA of Creed Aventus, and the more the merrier. And this is another one. If I had this one before, it probably would have made at least top 20, if not top 10. It all depends on the performance. If the performance is very good, then it should have been probably in top 10. But right now it's top 20 for the first impression. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you like to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They call the scent of Persia because the ingredients is come from Persia, Iran, my country. And we make one of the best, if not the best, ingredients for perfume in the world, perfume oils. And They are Ultra Beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, very artistic, unique, very beautiful, very mesmerizingly historic and ancient, and very, very mysterious. But you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.